Magandang buhay! Sa video na ito ay tuturuan ko kayo ng addition and subtraction of monomials. Example number 1, 3x plus 4x. So sa pag-add ng monomials, kailangan nating siguraduhin na yung dalawang i-add natin ay similar terms. Para masabi natin na similar terms, dapat parehas sila ng variable and even the exponent. So since parehas namang x, itong i-add natin, so pwede nating i-add. Simply, add lang natin itong 3 plus 4. So the answer is 7. And then copy lang natin yung x. So 3x plus 4x is equal to 7x. Next example, check natin kung parehas yung variable, even the exponent. So parehas naman silang x squared. So pwede nating i-minus. So ima-minus lang natin yung 4 minus 6. But since this is subtraction, so i-apply natin yung rule for subtraction of integers. Change the sign of the subtrahend, then proceed to addition. Or simply, keep, change, change. So, ano ibig sabihin yan? So, i-keep lang natin or panatilihin natin itong 4x squared. Rewrite lang natin. So, 4x squared, mananatili siyang 4x squared. Yung minus, sabi dito, change. So, from minus, palitan natin ng plus. And then, another change. So, palitan natin itong positive 6x squared. Gawin natin siyang negative 6x squared. So, yun yung sinasabing keep, change, change. So, keep natin yung una, yung minus, palitan natin, change. And then yung pangalawa, yung subtrahend, palitan natin ng sign. So, positive 6x squared, naging negative 6x squared. So, equals. So, 4 plus negative 6. So, mag-a-add tayo ng magkaibang sign. So, sa pag-a-add ng magkaibang sign, ang ginagawa natin ay sinusubtract natin yung malaking number minus sa maliit na number. And then, kinokopya natin yung sign ng mas malaking number. So, in this case, 6 minus 4, ang sagot ay 2. Dahil mas malaki yung 6 at yung sign niya ay negative, so ang sagot natin ay negative 2. So, again, 4 plus negative 6, the answer is negative 2. And then, kopyahin lang natin yung x squared. So, the answer is negative 2x squared. Example number 3. Negative 7x minus 10x. So again, first step, make it sure natin na parehas sila na x. So parehas ng variable, parehas ng exponent. So pwede natin itong isubtract. But then again, dahil ito ay subtraction, i-apply natin yung rule for subtraction of integers. Yung keep, change, change. So i-keep natin itong una, negative 7x, mananatili siyang negative 7x. And then yung minus, gawin nating plus. And then yung positive 10x, gawin nating negative 10x and then equal. So ito yan, keep, change, change. So negative 7x plus negative 10x. So kapag nag-add tayo ng magkamukhang sign, so in this case, parehas negative. So ang gagawin lang natin, i-add lang natin yung 7 plus 10 and then kokopyahin natin yung negative. So 7 plus 10 is 17. Dahil parehas silang negative, negative din yung ating magiging sign. And then, kopyahin lang natin itong x. So, the answer is negative 17x. Example number 4, mag-a-add naman tayo ng tatlong monomial. So, again, ang unang dapat i-check, dapat pare-parehas ng variable, even the exponent. So, pare-parehas naman silang a. So, pwede natin silang i-plus. So, tatlo yan. Unahin lang muna natin itong unang dalawa. So, 4 plus 6, so the answer is 10. And then, kopyahin lang natin itong a. Kaya, naging 10a. And then, bring down lang natin itong plus. Bring down din natin itong negative 8a. And then, equals. Now, mag-a-add tayo ng magkaibang sign. So, ang rule natin dyan ay isusubtract natin yung malaking number minus sa maliit na number. And then, kokopyahin natin yung sign ng mas malaking number. So, 10 minus 8, the answer is 2. Dahil mas malaki si 10, ang sign niya ay positive. So, ang sagot natin ay positive din. And then, kopyahin lang natin yung a. So, the answer is 2a. So, next example, mag-a-add tayo nitong tatlong monomial. So, check natin kung pare-parehas sila. b raised to 3c, b raised to 3c, b raised to 3c. So, pare-parehas naman, pwede natin silang i-add. So, dahil tatlo yan, unahin lang muna natin itong dalawa. So, negative 10 plus negative 9. So, mag-a-add tayo ng magkamukhang sign. So, all we have to do is to add those number and then kopyahin natin yung sign. So, 10 plus 9, the answer is 19. Dahil parehas naman silang negative, ang sagot natin ay negative din. And then, kopyahin lang natin itong b raised to 3c. Okay, and then bring down lang natin itong plus. And then bring down lang natin itong b raised to 3c. Okay, and then i-add natin. So we have negative 19 and then dito wala tayong nakikitang number. Pero kapag ganyan, meron ditong invisible na 1. Hindi lang natin siya nakikita kasi nga invisible. So all we have to do is to add negative 19 plus yung 1 na invisible dito. So dahil magkaiba sila ng sign, so isusubtract natin. 19 minus 1, so the answer is 18. Dahil mas malaki yung 19 at ang sign niya ay negative, kaya negative yung naging sagot natin. And then, kopyahin lang natin yung b raised to 3c. So the answer is negative 18 b raised to 3c. Next example natin, isubtract natin itong dalawang monomial na ito. So again, check natin kung parehas naman silang AB, so pwede nating isubtract. So dahil ito ay subtraction, again, i-apply natin yung rule for subtraction of integers o yung keep, change. So i-keep natin itong negative 10AB, baba lang natin. Yung minus, palitan natin ng plus. And then yung positive 15AB, palitan natin ng negative 15AB and then equals. Now, mag-a-add na tayo. So, negative 10 plus negative 15, parehas naman silang negative. So, i-add na lang natin and then sagot natin ay negative. So, 10 plus 15, the answer is 25. Dahil parehas naman silang negative, negative din yung sagot natin. And then, kopyahin lang natin itong AB. So, the answer is negative 25AB. So, yun lang. Sana ay nakatulong sa inyo itong simpleng tutorial na ito. Kung nagustuhan ninyo yung video, pwede bang pakiclick yung like button and then click nyo na rin yung subscribe for more tutorials like this. Yun lang, salamat.